Sarah, get me Mr. Nielsen immediately.
Hey Eric, how's it going?
Hey, going good, going good.
So you're on the phone?
Yeah, trying to get a hold of Mr. Nielsen.
Mr. Nielsen, and who's Mr. Nielsen?
Apparently he's over these TV ratings.
Yeah, I've heard of the Nielsen ratings, right?
Yeah.
It determines who watches the show and how to cancel it or whether to keep it going or whatever.
Exactly. They canceled the Dukes of Hazzard over
Yeah.
like 20 years ago.
About 20 years ago.
I love that show, and they never asked me what I thought about it.
Oh,
How in the
yeah.
world can they say that 30% of the viewers aren't watching it anymore?
Yeah, so you want to let your voice be known about this Dukes of Hazzard show, because I don't think Mr. Nielsen's going to talk to you today, Eric. Unfortunately. And so I understand your problem here. So they make claims with these statistics, but they didn't ask you, right?
Exactly. How are they supposed to say that nobody's watching it anymore if they don't even survey me?
Ah, okay. I think I see the problem, Eric. The problem is that we're talking about inferential statistics. And inferential statistics takes a small group, which we call a sample, and we run these statistics on a sample, and depending on how we chose this sample, whether it was a true random selection within the population, then we can make inferences, thus the name inferential statistics, to a larger group. So they can determine with a fair amount of accuracy how many people are watching this television show just based on asking a few people, or a fairly small sample anyway, maybe less than 500 people. They could determine what's happening in the average household across the country. And so this week, great news, we're talking about statistics and statistical techniques that you can use in your research project so that you don't have to go ask every man, woman, and child about your question. You can choose a sample and be able to infer that or generalize that to a greater population. And so I too am sorry that they canceled the Dukes of Hazzard, Eric, but unfortunately I'm afraid that the method that they used, Mr. Nielsen if you will, it was correct. And so, bad news.